Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the version history feature of Google Docs. If you have a Google Doc open and you click on File, Version History, first we're going to look at See Version History. Right? It opens up the doc and it gives on the right-hand side a list of all the different versions of this document. For example, I created this document on December 29. I might have done something to it on December 29 at 4:40, about a half hour later. And then I have today's version, which is a few minutes old at this point. And then we have the current version, which has a picture of a race car in it. All right, so this document has undergone a number of changes. And so if I want, I can look at a document, see what changes were made, see who made them, when they made them. I can go back and double check them to see, oh, well, at this point in time, this is what was in that document and this person made that change. All right, so I can see the version history in case there's any question about who did what, when they did it, who made the change. But let's say I have a version of this document which is really important and I'm going to want to refer back to it later. All right, then I can go to Name Current Version. So if I name this current version Race Car, I can save it, and now I'll know when I look at version history which version is the one with the race car because I've named it Race Car. Right, now you'll notice to the right of that I have the little snowman menu, the three little circles. If I click on that, I can rename it from here. I can remove the name. I don't need that name anymore. I can make a copy of this version. So maybe I want to make a copy of it and instead of using this race car, use a different image. Maybe not sure which one I'm going to use in my final product, but I want a couple of different versions, all with a race car in it. I can make a copy of this and then go back to whichever one I want. I don't have to just have the one. I can have multiple versions all with the same name so I can decide which one I want to use later. And those are some ways that you can use the version history in Google Docs.